Today we're going to be interviewing Bambu Labs. Bambu Labs is a type of 3D printer company. They make it so a 3D printer, as you can see right here, it does not have to have a different filament at the top. It just has, all it does is it runs like these filaments right here, up the tube, inside, and then what happens is when it's going to use a different one, it rolls them back. So then that one can go in more, which then will then allow one filament to go in and print. It's quite interesting. As you can see, this is one of their printers. This is their A1 printer. It's the exact same I just showed you over here. But this one only has one filament. You can put in different filaments here, and what we'll do is run them in. And what will happen is that when it's printing, this one will print, and then what happen is go over to it'll switch out, it'll roll this one back and switch out for the other filament. After that, what it'll do is it'll go over to the side to this part right here. Once it goes over to this part right here, oh wait, let me go back to this part right here. It'll do a thing where it just lets the filament go for like 2 to 3 seconds, so then it can change filament and successfully change filament and that being the correct color. So once it gets over there and does that, it'll just move around back and forth a bit for it to come off, and yeah, it's quite interesting. This is their new version of it. They put it on top because it'll be more successful and things like that. And yeah, this is their most new one. The other one was black. I don't know why, but the white one cost like $1,000 something. This, not this. Oh yeah, and there's a big save happening because it's the 2-year anniversary. So this one right here, it just got released. It's an amazing 3D printer. What basically is going to happen is that this is really cheap and it's good for a starter 3D printer to use and imagine stuff like that. The 3D printers are here, the filaments and excellent tools are here. I can't tell if they're 3D printed or not, but these over here, these are the accelerators, the filaments, what you can do with them, performance, you buy them separately. Here are some ideas. You can make this dinosaur. It'll take about 33 hours. Pokeball, I don't know how much. This, 5 to 8 hours. It's wheels for like a car, a gearbox, a wind mill or something. Pinocchio fits right on top of your newest printer. Working car, all made out of 3D printer. A whole entire cruise ship. Godzilla. Ice dragon thing. A smoking woman. A rocket ship. A strawberry thing. And we're back to the beginning. The thing. And they're created by people, and this is all free, by the way. These things. Oh, and they got in the New York Times, I'm pretty sure, the best invention of 2022. No one actually just thought of this. See, look, and it's made for kids, so kids can 3D print. It's very nice for us kids. So they could put together things like the Harry Potter thing. And yeah, so then kids can do it. The plate gets hot down there. You can get nice things so it has a nice pattern onto it. It's a really nice printing company. I recommend it more than any of the other printer companies. You could shop printers, filaments. You could also have them print accessories for you sometimes. Like though that makes it so when you print something, it'll make like this nice little like pattern on the bottom where you started printing it. And one of the accessories, I forgot where it was. You could see like I forget where they are, but they were like they're like little things that are already pre-printed. Yeah, they're already pre-printed. Yeah, I see it just came back like pre-printed like these colors. So look, it basically like gives you like this color so you know what it looks like when it's printed, and it gives you the filament with it. So then you know what it looks like. It's actually very smart. They're very nice printers. I recommend buying them. They're also a startup company like our last Material Security. It's very nice and they work very well. I recommend using them. They work at quality, speed. They're really nice. You can use an app. You can even do it control it with your phone. You can watch it, things like that. It is very nice. Here, we'll watch a little video of it. Yeah, it's basically saying they can print out any type of thing. Yep, that's also something I forgot to mention. Printing with your app. If you need a replacement for anything like a drone, that's what they're showing you. You can just print it. Couple seconds, it's done. It's awesome. I have one of these. They're amazing. You should try getting one. Drone's broken? No worries. Fix acquired. You want to build your own drone? You can do that too. Anything's possible. Yeah, there we go. Oh boy, another one of these. Print from your phone. That's also a nice thing. It has multiple different modes too. I know, it's awesome. Figure out getting them. They're cheap, they work really well, and they're easy to use. They're very nice. Yep. Even good for recording. Yep, it also has full collaboration. It's really nice. Print pictures. I think that's like a tray or oh, that's nice. Yeah, and then that's why I really liked it. They're very handy for building things. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video about reviewing Bambu Labs 3D printers. You can visit them at https://us.store.bambulabs.com. Yeah. Or you can just search in Bambu Labs, BAMBU space lab. It's a really nice company. I recommend you buy them. They're very cheap too. Have a good one.